In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the accessibility feature shortcuts on your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select where it says System Settings. You want to now select on the left panel where it says Accessibility. And then on the right side, scroll all the way down to the bottom underneath General where it says Shortcut. Select that. And then you can adjust the accessibility features. You can toggle on or off by pressing the shortcut key at the top. You can customize which ones will be turned on or off basically here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.